Welcome to a home activity called It Looks Familiar. So here are the things that you need for the activity: drawing paper, crayons and markers. So let's start with drawing a pig. First, draw a circle and then add in 2 triangles as its ears, a smaller circle for its snout, and then add 2 smaller circles for its nostrils. And there you go. Oh, don't forget to finish off with a pair of eyes. Let's draw a chicken. First, draw a curved line on the paper for its head. And then add in wavy lines and join them together like this. Don't forget the chicken comb. Oh, and its pair of eyes. And then finish it off with its beak. There you go. You can also draw other familiar things with a child. And okay, we hope you enjoy and have fun.